Keluaran 15, Exodus 15. Pada itu Musa bersama-sama dengan orang Israel menyanyikan nyanyian ini bagi Tuhan yang berbunyi, sebab ia tinggi luhur kuda dan penunggangnya dilemparkannya ke dalam lautan. Then sung Moses and the children of Israel this song unto the Lord, and speak, saying, I will sing unto the Lord, for he hath triumphed gloriously. The horse and his rider had he thrown into the sea. Tuhan itu kekuatanku dan mazmurku, ia telah menjadi keselamatanku. Ya Allahku, kupuji dia, ia Allah Bapakku, kuluhurkan dia. The Lord is my strength and song, and he is become my salvation. He is my God, and I will prepare him an habitation, my father's God, and I will exalt him. Tuhan itu pahlawan perang, Tuhan itulah namanya. The Lord is a man of war, the Lord is his name. Kereta Fir'aun dan pasukannya dibuangnya ke dalam laut, para perwilanya yang pilihan dibenamkan ke dalam laut Teberau. Pharaoh Keros and his host had he cast into the sea. His chosen captain also are thrown in the Red Sea. Samudra raya menutupi mereka, ke air yang dalam mereka tenggelam seperti batu. The deep have covered them, they sunk into the bottom as a stone. Tangan kananmu Tuhan mulia karena kekuasaannya, tangan kananmu Tuhan menghancurkan musuh. Thy right hand, O Lord, is become glorious in power. Thy right hands, O Lord, had this in peace the enemy. Dengan keluhuranmu yang besar, engkau meruntuhkan siapa yang bangkit menentang engkau. Engkau melepaskan api murkamu yang memakan mereka sebagai tunggul gandum. And in the greatness of God's excellency that rose up against thee, thou sends forth the words which consume them as stubble. Karena nafas hidungmu segala air naik bertimbun-timbun, segala aliran berdiri tegak seperti bendungan. Air bah membeku di tengah-tengah laut, and with the blast of thy nostril the waters were gathered together, the floods stood upright as an heap, and the deeps were collected, the hearts of the sea. Kata musuh, aku akan mengejar, akan mencapai mereka dan membagi-bagi jarahan. Nafsuku akan kulampiaskan kepada mereka, akan kuhunus pedangku, tanganku akan melenyapkan mereka. The enemy said, I will pursue, I will overtake, I will divide the spoil, my loss shall be satisfied upon them. I will draw my sword, my hand shall destroy them. Engkau meniup dengan taufanmu, laut pun menutupi mereka. Sebagai timah mereka tenggelam dalam air yang hebat. Thou didst blow with thy wind, the sea covered them. They shone as lead in the mighty water. Siapakah yang seperti engkau di antara para Allah, ya Tuhan? Siapakah seperti engkau, mulia karena kekudusanmu, menakutkan karena perbuatanmu yang masyhur, engkau pembuat keajaiban. Who is like unto thee, O Lord, among the gods? Who is like thee, glorious in holiness, fearful in praise, doing wonders? Engkau mengulurkan tangan kananmu, bumi pun menelanka. Thou stretched out thy right hand, and earth swallow with them. Dengan kasih setiamu, engkau menuntun umat yang telah kau tebus. Dengan kekuatanmu, engkau membimbingnya ke tempat kediamanmu yang kudus. Thou in thy mercy hast led forth the people which thou hast redeemed, thou hast with them in thy strength unto that holy habitation. Bangsa-bangsa mendengarnya, mereka pun menggigil kegentaran menghinggapi penduduk tanah Filistin. The people shall hear and be afraid, sorrow shall take hold on the inhabitants of Palestina. Pada waktu itu gemparlah para kepala kaum di Edom, kedahsyatan menghidupi orang-orang berkuasa di Moab. Semua penduduk tanah Kanaan gemetar. Then the dogs of Edom shall be amazed, the mighty men of Moab tremble shall take hold upon them. All the inhabitants of Canaan shall melt away. Ngeri dan takut menimpa mereka karena kebesaran tanganmu. Mereka kaku seperti batu. Sampai umatmu menyeberang ya Tuhan, sampai umat yang kau peroleh menyeberang. Fear and dread shall fall upon them. By the greatness of thine arm they shall be as still as a stone, till thy people pass over, O Lord, till the people pass over which thou hast purchased. Engkau membawa mereka yang kau cangkokkan mereka di atas gunung milikmu sendiri, ke tempat yang telah kau buat kediamanmu, ya Tuhan, di tempat kudus yang didirikan tanganmu, ya Tuhan. Thou shalt bring them in, and plant them in the mountain of thine inheritance, in the place, O Lord, which thou hast made for thee to dwell in the sanctuary, Lord, which thy hands have established. Tuhan memerintah kekal selama-lamanya. The Lord shall reign for ever and ever. Ketika kuda Fir'aun dengan keretanya dan orangnya yang berkuda telah masuk ke laut, maka Tuhan membuat laut berbalik meliputi mereka, tetapi orang Israel berjalan di tempat kering dari tengah-tengah laut. For the horse of Pharaoh went in with his chariot and with his horsemen into the sea, and the Lord brought again the water of the sea upon them. But the children of Israel went on dry land in the midst of the sea. Lalu Miriam nabiah itu, saudara perempuan Harun, mengambil rebana di tangannya, dan tampillah semua perempuan mengikutinya memukul rebana serta menari-nari. And Miriam the prophetess, the sister of Aaron, took a treble in her hand, and all the women went out after her with trebles and with dance. Dan menyanyilah Miriam memimpin mereka, menyanyilah bagi Tuhan, sebab ia tinggi luhur, kuda dan penunggangnya dilemparkannya ke dalam lautan. And Miriam answered them, Sing ye to the Lord, for the hath drums gloriously, the horse and his rider had he thrown into the sea. Musa menyuruh orang Israel berangkat dari laut Teberau, lalu mereka pergi ke padang gurun Syur 3 hari lamanya. Mereka berjalan di padang gurun itu dengan tidak mendapat air. So Moses brought Israel from the Red Sea, and they went out into the wilderness of Shur, and they went 3 days in the wilderness and found no water. Sampailah mereka ke Mara, tetapi mereka tidak dapat meminum air yang di Mara itu karena pahit rasanya. Itulah sebabnya dinamai orang tempat itu Mara. And when come to Mara, the cold no drink of the water of Mara, for they were withered, therefore the name of it was called Mara. Lalu bersungut-sungutlah bangsa itu kepada Musa, kata mereka, apakah yang akan kami minum? And the people murmured against Moses, saying, What shall Musa berseru-seru kepada Tuhan, dan Tuhan menunjukkan kepadanya sepotong kayu. Musa melemparkan kayu itu ke dalam air, lalu air itu menjadi manis. Di sanalah diberikan Tuhan ketetapan-ketetapan dan peraturan-peraturan kepada mereka, dan di sanalah Tuhan mencoba mereka. And he cried unto the Lord, and the Lord saw him a tree, which when he had cast into the water were made sweet. There he made from them a statute and an ordinance, and there he proved them. Firman-Nya, jika kamu sungguh-sungguh mendengarkan suara Tuhan Allahmu dan melakukan apa yang benar di matanya, dan memasang telingamu kepada perintah-perintahnya dan tetap mengikuti segala ketetapannya, maka aku tidak akan menimpakan kepadamu penyakit manapun yang telah kutimpakan kepada orang Mesir, sebab aku Tuhanlah yang menyembuhkan engkau. And said, if thou wilt diligently hearken to the voice of the Lord thy God, and wilt do that which is right in his sight, and will give ear to his command, and keep all his statutes, I will put none of this disease upon thee, which I have brought upon the Egyptian, for I am the Lord that healed thee. Sesudah itu sampailah mereka di Elam. Di sana ada 12 mata air dan 70 pohon kurma. Lalu berkemahlah mereka di sana di tepi air itu. And they come to Elim, where were 12 wells of water, and their scores and 10 palm tree, and they encamped there by the waters.